Hi, I'm Karl Konrad. I'm an immigration specialist. We here at Australian Immigration Law Services provide visa services for those looking to live, work and study in Australia. On this channel, we share how to apply for visas, visa requirements, tips and important updates. Today, we are updating you on the latest proposed planning levels for the skilled migration visas, the change in the requirements for the 189 New Zealand visa stream, and an update on when visas may be granted to travel to Australia again. The Immigration Minister Alex Hawke has recently deliberately leaked some of the key components of how the 160,000 migrant places are likely to be divided up at the beginning of this financial year. Although the official planning levels are yet to be released, the Sydney Morning Herald has reported on the proposed government figures. Employer-sponsored visas will receive an increase from 22,000 to 23,500, and the regional visa categories will be expanded by 17% to a total of 13,150 places. The skilled independent 189 visa will receive an extra 1,000 places in the coming financial year. The business innovation visas, which increased dramatically during the COVID pandemic this financial year to 13,500, will be cut to 11,000 places in the coming financial year. There has been recent chatter that this number may even be further reduced. The Global Talent Visa, which was hailed as the premier skilled attraction to this country, is actually getting reduced from 15,000 down to 11,000 places. Perhaps the minister has realised that whilst high flyers are always an asset, you can always have too much of a good thing. So when will those offshore waiting hopefully to have a chance applying for a visa finally get to come to Australia? I get asked all the time about offshore applicants who have lodged their PR visa already, predominantly applicants for the 190 visa, who have applied more than a year ago and still waiting. One of the many tasks that overseas embassies undertake in the processing of offshore applicants is to use local staff to verify applicants' work experience claims. Many offshore applicants do claim overseas work experience in their applications. Due to the pandemic, these tasks may have been significantly curtailed, and this will result in major delays in visa applications. Or perhaps it is the Immigration Department that is deliberately putting a hold on the processing of these applications so they don't have to deal with more permanent residents stuck outside of Australia. Although entry into Australia is limited with caps on entry numbers, permanent residents do not need travel permission to enter, you just need permission if you want to leave Australia. As far as international students go, it is likely a small number, already vaccinated number, may be welcomed towards the end of this year, but most likely they will probably face a mid-year 2002 wait. New Zealand citizens rejoice! The only simple policy the Immigration Minister could manage to turn into reality for the 1st of July is one that was promised last year. That is a benefit to New Zealand citizens who have been working in Australia for the last few years. Instead of needing evidence of meeting the requirement minimum salary for 4 years, they only need to demonstrate 3 years to be eligible for the 189 visa. The minimum income level is currently set at $53,900. New Zealand citizens who meet these criteria do not need to submit an expression of interest and are able to apply directly for the 189 visa. It seems highly possible that the extra 1,000 places the Minister talks about for the 189 visa will probably be allocated to New Zealanders. Thanks for joining us today, and there are still more details yet to be released in these planning levels, so we will see what the official release has to say later on this month or early next month. Remember to subscribe to our channel to get all these videos beamed directly to you as soon as they come out. Don't forget to like us on Facebook as well, and check out our website for our articles on australiavisa.com. If you would like help, book an appointment on our website or just pick up the telephone. As always, take care out there, and I will see you next time, so bye for now.